Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're having a good day so far. So I got this customer who dropped off a Kia Sorento, I think this thing is. Didn't look at any information on it. I figured we'd take it for a ride first. Customer's complaining about a noise. So there's a banging noise when driving. They ain't kidding. I don't know if it's got a broken spring. I don't know if strut's falling out. Basically I turned a corner and I'm on my little dead end road, but I figured you can go with me for a ride. It's pretty severe, and the customer apparently had it at another shop. I don't know if it happened suddenly. I kind of got secondhand information, but I figured let me just take it for a quick ride just to hear it first before I put it on a lift. So let's go for a ride. Hopefully you can hear this. All right, here's our little dead end road. Got my two wheels on the edge of the grass there. Wow. I had actually seen at one point in time, a strut tower crack creating noise like that. I don't remember what kind of vehicle it was, but the strut tower was actually broken in several places. Stress cracks. Man, I don't recall what it was. But this is all right front. I mean, the customer said the other shop said it was something with the rear differential. I mean, maybe there's a problem with the rear differential, but this ain't the rear differential. This is right front. I mean, here, I'll go with left front. And I still hear it on the right front. Let's go back on the right front. Man, that is severe. It could just be sway bar end links too. Wow, but that is absolutely severe. How do you let it get to that point? I don't think that happened overnight. You know what I mean? I think this has been going on for a while. Wow. So let's get it in the shop and on a lift and see what's going on. When you're driving down a regular road, it's actually quiet, like on a smooth road. But one thing I did notice, I'm going to hit the brakes. Now listen to this. Can you hear the clunk, 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 clunk? I'm back on my little dead end road. Right here. All right, I'm going to hit the brakes. Now listen. That's severe. So here's my guess. The lower control arm is either broken in two. I don't think so, because it feels like it handles fine. I'm thinking that there is a bushing that completely blew apart on the control arm, and it's allowing the control arm to move. And what you're hearing is metal-to-metal contact. And when you hit the brakes, the wheel shifts, and basically the bushing bottoms out because it's blown apart. So that's my guess. So, all right, now let's get it in the shop and see what's going on. So we're in the shop. I got it on the lift. I just opened up the hood because I wanted to double check. Like I said, I've seen strut towers. I saw it more than once, actually. I don't recall the vehicle, though. Where the mounting points are, it cracked. And it created some wicked noises because basically the metal started tin canning because it has stress cracks in it. So everything looks fine there. So let's put this thing up in the air and actually see what it looks like underneath. Obviously, I don't see a broken spring, guys, so let's keep going up and see what we got. Okay, so much to my surprise, somebody already put a control arm in this. That's a new lower control arm. The only thing I really find is this. Could that be creating that much noise? I actually doubt it. But I guess it's possible. Unless it's an upper strut mount. I guess the one thing I could do, I guess I can isolate by taking out the sway bar end link. I'm going to verify all these bolts are tight too, because who knows, did somebody put the control arm in because of the noise, or did the noise start after somebody put in a control arm? That's the question. Because that's a severe noise, and the fact that it happens when you hit the brakes too. It's as if something's moving, but the tie rod itself is tight. And there's no play in there. Let's see, somebody said something about the rear differential mount being bad. I don't see that either. They're not cracked. Well, that one is. But that ain't gonna create that noise. That one has a crack in it. Most of them are fine. Somebody said it needed some suspension bushings in the back too. I'm gonna disagree with that. I'm not concerned about that. Not creating this noise, no way. But there you can see it. See it move when I put pressure on it. That ain't the problem. Absolutely is not the problem. That's normal. Let me put a wrench on this, and I think I'm going to disconnect that sway bar end link and see what happens. Alright. Problem is I'm going to have to take it completely out. This way it doesn't possibly hang up in the steering or anything like that. Let me put a wrench on everything just to make sure everything's tight, and then I'm going to pull the wheel off. This way I can pull that sway bar end link out, and then I'm going to take it for another ride. It's possible, I guess, that could be the whole noise. It just sounds so severe. I mean, unless it's a strut mount itself, but I don't see anything up there that looks bad compared to the other side. And if I push upward on the tire, like a lot of times you can get like a clunking sensation from going up and down because the bearing goes bad, but I don't have that. So, all right, let me keep investigating, see if I can't figure this out. So there we go. I took the end link completely out. Like I said, because you leave it in there, you know, you could wind up with it, you know, catching something. You could catch a brake hose, could catch a steering linkage, something, anything. So at least this way it's completely out of the way. I don't have to worry about it. Let's see, what else? I have seen cradles crack, the mounting points here crack where the control arm goes, creating a whole bunch of noise, but I gave it a good look. I don't see anything. I mean, that's just extreme noise for it being a sway bar end link. I kind of doubt it, but who knows? So let's let this down. One thing I did notice is the steering rack feels a little funky on the lift when I cut the wheels back and forth, and I see it's leaking right there. So yeah, I'm not quite sure what's going on. Maybe when I was hitting the brakes and it was making that noise, maybe it's because the end link was making the noise. It's possible. It is possible. But let's let it down, put the wheel back on it, and let's go back on that road test and see what happens. All right, I didn't even have to go on a road test. I found it. I found the noise. Remember I said strut power, something along those lines? Okay. When I let it down, I was like, you know what? Let me tighten up. Let me just make sure that the strut is tight in the strut mount. I've seen that too, where the strut gets loose for some reason and it bangs around. So check this out. So here we are on the driver's side. I figured let me just tighten it up real quick. All right, so that's tight. Not a big deal. I've actually never seen this before. This is a first for me. Ready? It's actually broken away from the strut mount. The strut mount is this piece here, and it comes out and mounts to here. It's like a triangular shaped piece. So the center part is actually broken away, as you can see inside there. That's pretty incredible. I've never, ever, ever seen that. So, I mean, I thought it sounded pretty severe, and obviously it was. That's dangerous. That's dangerous. You can lose the, as a matter of fact, when I go to take it apart, maybe it won't. But that may be an issue coming apart. Actually, yeah, it might be a real issue coming apart. Because now, technically, you know, what's holding the strut together right now? Usually it's a strut mount that holds it together. I don't have that anymore, so what's holding it together? So coming out, I'm going to probably want to get complete struts for this thing. Because coming out, if that's not catching on a broken piece or whatever, that spring is going to, you know, basically fully extend. Yeah, I'm going to recommend complete struts. See if they're available. All right, guys, that's interesting. I've never seen that before. Hope you got something out of that video. If you did, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.